Sweet bread. You will never ever buy bread like this in the bakery anymore. Let's use 200 milliliters of milk, 1 egg, 110 grams of sugar, 50 grams of butter, and let's mix everything very well. And then let's add 10 grams of dry yeast and a good pinch of salt. Now let's add 500 grams of flour, and let's go adding it little by little, mixing it with your hands, but then we are going to knead it very well, okay? Now let's put it on the counter and start kneading it for 5 minutes or until it's very smooth like the one in the video. Then let's let it rest until it doubles the size. It took about 40 minutes. In a pan, let's put 500 milliliters of milk, 90 grams of sugar in medium heat until it's all dissolved, and then let's add 35 grams of maize starch, and let's put it with a little bit of milk and 2 egg yolks. Then just put it all together and mix everything. The milk is just to melt the maize starch, okay? Then let's add until it's thicker and add the vanilla essence, and our cream is already done. The right texture is when it's not sticking in the pan anymore, okay? Now put it in another bowl, okay, until it's fresh. And our batter is already done, guys. Now we are going to make some braids with that, okay? And after our filling is cold, it's gonna be like in this consistency. Let's put it in a plastic bag. And now let's use our dough. Let's cut it into 4 equal parts. And let's starting each part into 3 parts. Like this, so we can make the braids, okay? And we are going to fill all of these parts, all of these stripes. It looks difficult, but it's very easy actually. Now we're just going to put the bottom together and go making the braids like this. There's no secret, guys. Repeat the same process with the other 3 parts. And then you just put it in a greased form with butter. Let it rest for more 20 minutes. And now it's time to take it to the oven. Before taking it, I put a little bit of egg yolk on top of it. And also put more cream on top of it. Then, to let it even more delicious, I finished it with condensed milk and grated coconut, but it's totally optional. And this bread is just like the one you buy in the bakery. Super easy to make. It looks difficult, but it isn't. The only difficult thing is to wait for it to grow. But the rest is very easy and simple. Make it at your house and then come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. See ya!